Hey you guys, what's up? Good morning, Blessing here. So today is going to be a mini vlog. I am bringing you guys along with me as we go to each and every one of my appointments. Today I'm going to be getting ready for my graduation photo shoot. So right now I am at my hair appointment, and then after this I have makeup appointment, and then after that I have a photo shoot. So I decided to bring you guys along. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little something different, but yeah, so let's go ahead and head on upstairs and meet my hairdresser. See you guys in a little bit. Okay. Hey you guys, so this is Adrienne. She's a hairstylist here in the Dallas area. I'm going to put all her info below in the description box if you guys are interested. So she's going to be slaying my hair for grad. As you guys know, I cut my hair off a few months back. So the hair we're using today is actually Eunice's hair. I brought it in for her earlier to make a wig out of. I also have a coupon code below, so I'll put that in the description box, and you guys can get some money off of your units and bundles in time for grad and prom. But yeah, so I'll put all her info below. Try not to book her because she's probably going to be doing my hair, or I'll just go ahead and book months in advance. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jari I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jari little, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing out the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing out the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing out the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a face. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. Vicus, make them know. Bad man. Bulaka, 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 bulaka. His body, baby, oh. His body, baby, oh. Hey. His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, it's a bad man thing. Bulaka, see, see, I'm a jari little, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people more. Ọmọ jàre létò, ọmọ jàre lérò. Say we get the pay, so we no delay. By the end of the day, she be wanting more. By the end of the night, they be wanting more. But in the place, them I want it more. But people, them I want it more.
It'll still be good for you.
See the girl, them know. See the girl, them know. We are the hope. See the man, them know. See the man, them know. Baby, make me feel like.
So that's the final product. Looks good. I look human again. So I'm gonna leave all of her info below so you guys can come say hi to her and let her know I sent you. Just don't overbook her, like I said. But yeah, I'll see you guys in our next clip. So my hair is done. I'm so excited. Now I have to head on over to get my makeup done. Let me put my glasses because y'all know I can't see. So now I have a makeup appointment. Like I said, it's from Eunice Hair. I'm going to leave my coupon code below so you guys can check them out. Get some money off your bundles, girl. You know, it's graduation season. We gotta slay out here. So right now I'm heading over to get my makeup done, and then after that I'm going to go home, get Aria, and then we're gonna head over to my photo shoot because she's gonna be part of it too. So I'll see you guys pretty soon. Hi guys, this is Christine. She's gonna be doing my makeup today. I'll leave. You have an Instagram?
Oh, I used to, but not now.
So how do you
come
get
back in like 1 month? Well, next month.
So how do you get like appointments and stuff? What if they wanna?
No, they just give my number, but
okay, I'm not gonna put your number. When she comes back on Instagram,
yes,
I'll put her page
there you go.
in the description box. That's funny.
Yeah, I closed it because I was trying to figure out what I was going to, how I was going to fix my my page.
Okay.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh, hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jaribeto, I'm a jawaleho. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jari little, I'm a jari little. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing out the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing out the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing out the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. Big cute.
guys, so this was the final makeup look. I just want to thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this clip and this mini, I guess mini vlog if you want to call it that. But yeah, my makeup turned out good, my hair turned out good. So now we're headed to the photo shoot. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you on my next one. Say hi, Aria. Bye.